See, in 2019 NEET examination, in motion in a plane chapter, only one example is, not one example, two examples are given. So, two questions are given in 2019. One is from relative velocity and another one is uniform circular motion. So, दो क्वेश्चंस दिया था मोशन ए प्लेन में, एक रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी था और दूसरा यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन. ठीक है, ये प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे हम, उसको सोचने को समझने को कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है. सो द स्पीड ऑफ ए स्विमर इन स्टिल वाटर इज 20 मीटर पर सेकंड. द स्पीड ऑफ रिवर वाटर इज 10 मीटर per second and is flowing due east. If he is standing on the south bank and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path, the angle at which he should make his strokes with respect to north is given by. So actually question क्या है इसमें, ईस्ट को फ्लो कर, ये ईस्ट, दिस इज वेस्ट, ये नॉर्थ है, एंड सो हियर ही इज स्टैंडिंग, ही वांट्स टू क्रॉस एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट to the bank. He want to reach this point. He want to reach from this point to this point direct. Actually, these questions are given in exercise. It is given of 13 and page number I didn't remember. So exercise 13th question in NCERT text, and in the exemplar 34th question in the exemplar exam. Actually this exemplar question consists of shortest path and shortest time, and in the NCERT question consists of shortest time question. Only two questions are there, two models are there in the river problems basically. So you can first try to understand what here, then we will see. Here I am explaining the thing. This is the river problem. River is like this. So velocity of the river will be given generally, and velocity of the swimmer or man, you can say, and these two things are given to us. Okay, velocity of the swimmer is always with respect to river, remember that. So suppose velocity of river means the water is flowing in. So if the distance between the two banks is suppose 2d, ये दोनों को बीच में अगर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू बैंक्स इज d, देन इसको क्रॉस करने के लिए कितना समय में, शॉर्टेस्ट टाइम में कैसे ट्रैवल करेगा. सो द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द स्विमर विल बी, अगर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द स्विमर इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन, द रिवर विल बी पुशिंग हिम, so this will be moving, so he will be reaching this point at this point, and time taken is nothing but velocity of the distance by velocity of. This is one type of question generally they will ask. Another one is, this is he has to reach, so here he reached, this is drift actually, x is the drift, so he moved with the velocity of the river into time, then velocity of the drift कितना है ये भी कैलकुलेट कर. यहाँ शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ मीन्स यू हैव टू रीच this point, but you should try like this. Why you should travel like this? Because river is flowing in this direction. So if this angle is theta, then v cos theta and v sin theta are the components. This is v sin theta, this is v cos. So this is swimmer, so vs sin. So the vs sin theta should balance velocity of the river. That's all. That means ये दोनों बैलेंस हो जाएगा. Vs cos theta is to reach this point, then only this will reach the same point. अदर बैंक का सेम ऑपोजिट साइड बोले तो क्या है, इसको ये दोनों बैलेंस हो रहा है. सो Vr is equal to Vs sin. So sin theta is equal to velocity of the river by velocity of. This is the question here. So how much angle with respect to the river means north. He asked for north actually. So now let us go to the question. So this is the question. Now let us check here. See now what he asked us. So sin theta is equal to velocity of the river by velocity of swimmer. This we got. This is nothing but here velocity of the water, still water swimmer is कितना है, 20 meter per second. River is 10 meters. So 10 by 20, that is half. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. कैसे जाना है, इधर जाना है. This is that. So this is 30 degrees of west. Sin 30 is half. So theta is 30. ठीक है. So this is the thing with this example. So I covered relative velocity, a little bit theory also. थोड़ा सा कवर किया है आप लोगों को समझने के लिए। दो ही मॉडल्स रहता है इसमें, ये दोनों मॉडल सीख लिया तो बस दूसरी अगर रिवर स्विमर प्रॉब्लम या रिवर बोट प्रॉब्लम जो भी है, यू कैन सॉल्व इट। वन इज शॉर्टेस्ट टाइम, अनदर इज शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस। सो अभी दिस प्रॉब्लम इज शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।